back to my YouTube channel. So previous videos we discussed lots of things about MySQL DBMS system. So if you haven't watched these videos, please follow these videos and come into this video. So from this video we are going to learn about a new thing. So when we are dealing with the data system, there are basically four main tasks that we can perform. There are data insert, data update, data delete, and data search. So when we are looking at this diagram, we can identify how to data MySQL DBMS software is working. So regarding the SQL data system, there is a separate data system language known as SQL to perform the above task. So SQL language means a structured query language. So when we are dealing with the DBM SQL database management system, we have to use the SQL language to perform that task. So from today we will learn about how to use this SQL language to deal with the SQL database management system. So today we are going to discuss the question set 5. It's regarding this SQL queries. So let's move on to that question. The board of directors of New Vision Academy has decided to computerize the information of all teachers in the educational institution. The software is being developed by the Targa Software Solution. Assume that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company and you and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. So create the database according to these instructions given to you as follows. So first task they have given is create a database called New Vision Academy to store teachers data. This software has a table called teacher to store teachers data. Follow the instruction given to create it. So we have to create this database and this table. So let's move to the third question. Before that, enter the data shown in the table below in the database table you have set up above. Do not use the graphical method when entering the data here. All data must be entered from the query statements. So I already said that we have to use SQL language to do this task. So we will see how to insert this data into the table by using SQL language. So in this task, for my convenience, I am going to use HeidiSQL software to perform this task. So in this scenario, we don't have to draw ER diagram. So I am going to use HeidiSQL software. So first we have to create database. Let's create that database. Database name is New Vision Academy. So can create this table within the this database. So table name is teacher. We can create that table by right click on this data table and create new table. So table name is teacher. Now you can create database now you can create table. As we did in the previous videos, the same scenario. So data type is varchar. It is 10, and we have to give a primary key to this one. So I have created the teacher table, and we can insert data by using this graphical method, but especially they have said do not use the graphical method when entering the data. So therefore we have to use SQL queries to perform this task. So mainly there are 4 types of SQL queries. There are insert query, update queries, and delete queries, and search queries. So we can enter query by using this query tab. So in this video we are going to learn about insert queries. In the future we will learn about update queries, delete queries, and search queries. So let's start to insert data to the table. So when we are inserting data into into a table, we have to use insert into statement. So by using that statement we can insert data into a table. So after that we have to mention the database name. So database name is New Vision Academy. So HeidiSQL suggested the table, and we have to mention the table name and leave a space, and we have to mention the column names as well. So column names, we must enter the column names within this gray as well. So we have to enter 6 columns. This column name is this, and second column name is this, and third column name is so we have entered the column names, and then after that we have to enter the values. So we can move on to the next row, and we have to mention the value. So we can enter the values within this quotation marks. So first value is register number, and second value is first name, third value is last name is this, and gender, and mobile number. Finally the email address. We can execute this query by clicking on this execute icon, this play icon. So you can click on that, and we can move on to this data table and refresh. So as you can see, the whole data has been entered perfect. So let's continue with this task. We can remove these values, and we can enter next value. So Now we can enter these values into the table. We can execute this query, and we can refresh by clicking on that refresh icon. As you can see, uh, all data has been entered perfectly, and we can enter the all data in the same way. So let's do that quickly. So I have inserted all the remaining data into the table by using insert query. So I think you have understood well what was done in today's video. Uh, so we will meet again with another video. Until then, have a good day.